It is 7 something in the morning. Headed to Animal Kingdom. I don't even wake up this early for work. So aww. Look at the birdies. That tree is massive. Like, whoa. That's crazy.
Hey, welcome aboard. Come on in, guys. Come on in. Come on in. Good to have you.
Go ahead, girl.
No, you good.
Go ahead.
Go ahead and find your seats. This is gonna be your finals. Any new first-time safari? First-time safari? Awesome. Welcome aboard.
So excited.
Now going to become amateur biologists in just a moment.
It's so
Those
pretty.
dense horns are also used. Now that's a pretty small group compared to what they can achieve.
Oh,
They're the
she's
second
crying.
most largely densely populated migrating mammal in the world, second to us humans. With
What is that for?
If you slipped, I would have got it. I turned the glasses right on there.
Damn. I hate them right now. Alright, come on.
We're going inside the tree. Inside the tree.
Y'all bring your bags right over by the
She almost knocked Mickey over.
in the silver